All right, guys, just back from a short vacation down to North Carolina. Found this waiting for me. This is from Ali, and he said that he was on a business trip in Singapore and asked around, and this was a recommended lock. So it looks like, obviously, Detainer. Let's take it out of here. I need that. So we do have a disc detainer, and it looks like around, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 7, possibly 8 discs if there's a flat one in there somewhere. And let's make sure it works. And it does, kind of. There we go. Gets a little stuck right there. That is turned all the way too. There we go. All right, well, it does work. It's not exactly smooth, but it does work. So, see if we can get it picked. Move that cover again. Take this little guy, rotate all those discs as far clockwise as I can get them. And it looks like I got them all. So we know we're starting from 0. And align the tip on this little guy. And see if we can't slide him in. I'm just going to try to push the tip all the way to the rear. And that's pretty tight. All right, I think we got it. Now I'm going to rotate and put tension on it. And I'm going to extract the entire pick just to make sure I'm only grabbing that first disc, which appears to be the tensioner. There we go, right there. I think that will be... It's barely hanging on there, but let's see what we got here. All right, very heavy tension. Let me zoom in a little. And the answer is no. I have not heard back from Sparrows. Okay, there's that first, or actually the last disc in the pack. And that was kind of crunchy. These are awful thin discs. I have a little trouble getting positioned on him. Wow. Maybe they use some kind of different lubricant. Yeah, that's probably it in the Singapore. I think that's a gate. Wow, that's really tight, really bound up there. I'm going to leave him alone. Try this guy. Okay, that definitely started turning. Felt the core turn just a hair. I got to release all my tension to push him back. I went too far apparently on that one. I felt the core turn a little bit more, and I think we're about as far up in the pack there as we're going to get. So let's keep going. Let's go back. We missed somebody. And I can't get past him. Come on now. Get in there. All right, I'm going to have to release my tension and probably push that disc back just to get past him. And it's just kind of odd. And I'm starting to think maybe one of the other discs are the tensioning discs in this lock. Let's call that one good. Okay, I'm going to release tension, push him all the way back. It's like when you get him all the way in the counterclockwise, he gets stuck. You got to release your tension, then push him back. And maybe I can attack the gate from that angle. There we go. That'll be a little better, maybe. Feels like a gate. Feels like a gate. I think that's the gate. Kind of crunched into it there. I think that's the gate. Come on now. I don't think there's anything further up that way. Nope. That is definitely the gate. All right, this one has 2 gates. So that's the second one. That was 1. That was 2. So that one also has 2 gates. That one has a single gate. That one has a single gate. Come on. That one has a single gate. All right, let's go all the way back up the top here and start fresh. I've got a feeling maybe I've got 2 discs. Maybe I'm tensioning 2 discs. So let me pull them out a little more. Yep, I'm definitely tensioning 2 discs. So now let's extract them all the way out and see if I can't grab another gate. And there it was. That's what happens when you're stupid like me and you tension 2 discs instead of just 1. I had them all picked, except obviously that second disc. I was trying to tension him too. Anyway, there you go. What does it say? Home Proud from Singapore. Ali, appreciate you sending a lot. Thanks, guys. Stay safe, stay legal, and pay attention to what you're tensioning. Geez, it's a great tool, but only if you use it right.